Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Asia. I'm a 24-year-old stay-at-home pregnant mom who is 37 weeks. Yeah, you're gonna spend the day with us. I am not doing much. I just took a shower. She's about to brush her teeth. I got some food heated up in the microwave. She wanted cereal, and then we're gonna call my friend. She's gonna come pick us up, and we are gonna finish my hair. I'm like, why is it so loud? The freaking vent is on. But yeah, I'm gonna add some hair to this. And maybe like some boho curls because I'm just not feeling it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm probably gonna take her to the park later on because she was asking about it. So come along with us. I'm just gonna make her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, cut up this apple and some strawberries. I have some food for me and some grapes, and then I'm gonna call my friend to tell her to come over and get us so we can do my hair.
Good day, mama, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is her.
We started my hair at, I wanna say like 1 something, maybe 2 o'clock, and we just got home. It's 9:48. Yeah, and I got this package. Appliances in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, saute pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, steamer, food warmer. Like I'm being a content creator, you get stuff like this for free, okay? Oh my gosh, it's humongous.
4 hours later.
I forgot to show y'all the finished product of what we ate for tonight, but nothing special. My fiance, he went to go get our stuff from storage. Her bed, my couch. He just went to go get that. And then he got pink box. Oh my gosh. I was so sad they didn't have what I wanted. I wanted the ube donut, but they always run out of it. So I just got the banana pudding donut and then the crumb bun. That one's for Ava. It's a unicorn. So cute. All of her toys. I had just got this like right before we moved out. It's like one of the little teddy bear basket thingies. Tomorrow I'll start getting her room together, but like that's like all of her toys. I am excited about this one because it is the stuff that you put your like your forks in, and then my glass seasoning things. I was about to say something and then I got a contraction, so I forgot. It's the next day. I just made her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The place is a mess because we got everything, but my mom is coming tomorrow. I want to clean up and finish my hair, so I'm pretty much gonna be on my feet all day today, which I probably shouldn't be. But it is what it is, okay? I feel okay to be doing all of these things, you know? So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I wanna do my hair first or clean up first. I'm probably gonna clean up first because this is killing me. I can't do it. But I folded some clothes, I ate, and then I just sat down for a long time. My excuse. It's right here. The bathroom has a shit ton of dirty clothes in there. Some trash. I'm gonna put this up. It's just like little cleaning, but still needs to be done. My fiance went to Walmart. He took Ava with him, so I'm by myself. And I'm just gonna try to hurry up as I sit down. Everything is done except for wiping down everything. I'm gonna do the room next. Same day that I put these up, she got peanut butter and jelly on it. So, yeah, I'm gonna switch this up. Okay, bedroom, done. I just got a dresser. We're gonna put it over here. It's right there. So we're gonna put it up. So they came back from Walmart with some toys and stuff, and why was I trying to put this little toy basket together and I could not do it for the life of me. I don't know if it was because I was impatient or what, but I literally just could not do it. Like, I just couldn't get it. So I just gave up. He finished putting up this little dresser that I got from TikTok shop for the free ski. He doesn't want to put the freaking TV on it. He's like, I don't want to put my TV on here. I'm like, it feels sturdy to me, or you just don't believe in your building skills, because you should put it together good. Next thing on my agenda is to transfer these into these. Her daddy got her a step stool, so it's gonna be bothering me every time I wash dishes. But I just cleared the dishwasher, washed these dishes that were in the sink, which really wasn't a lot. I've been like staying on top of it. So Jamie, I'm about to clean this sink out so I can wash these, because I'm gonna just put them in a hot bath, basically. A hot bubble bath. I wish I had a baby bottle cleaner, because then I would wash the inside with the baby bottle cleaner. So I'm just gonna have to shake it up with some soapy hot water. We'll put bleach in it, but I don't know, I'm scared that my seasonings will have like a hint of bleach taste. Trying to build it again. I'm waiting for the things to dry. She's getting hungry, so I'm probably gonna make her something. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I did it. See if it rolls. Oh yeah. It's the next day again. Yeah, I didn't finish what I wanted to finish. So I'm gonna do it today. I didn't even finish my hair, but it's okay. Homegirl's room is ridiculous. Like, ridiculous. And I don't blame her. She hasn't had these toys in a long time, so she was going crazy. Go ahead, have fun. But yeah, we're gonna get to it. I like to put everything that so like all of her Peppa toys, I'll put her Peppa toys in one. All of her fruits and vegetables, I'll put her fruits and vegetables in one. So like little stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
So this is as good as it's gonna get. I don't know where I want to put her bed at right now. Still have to get her bed frame. Her dad was supposed to get it the other day, and he didn't. He was like, well, if I would have known you was gonna put her in her room last night, I would have got her bed. You should have just got the bed, period. Whether I was gonna put her in there or not. You knew I was gonna want to put her in the room, because I've been sleeping with this child for 3 years, okay? She needs to be in her own room. But I forgot about these. I'm gonna put these up really quick. But one day if she decides to be spontaneous, I won't find her in here passed out or electrocuted, you know? So I'm gonna cover all of them up. Like it? Yeah. There's like a shit ton in here.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah, you're not about to. But my mom is here, so she's probably gonna lay out her mattress right here. Everything is safe, so she can't hurt herself. So yeah, the room is finito.
That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, matter of fact what you've been. I was just blind, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it, I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go.